1.
Override. Animation. Type trait. Pick one. For the list of which ones do what,
Find that in the description.
pick a rig. Export.
2.
Open it. Click on the left. Press A twice, then delete. In the timeline, in Start, type 2. In End, type 200 or something. In the next box, also type 2. Pose it.
3.
On your Start keyframe, right-click any joint. Press A twice to select all. Press I, then Location Rotation. Move timeline near the end, and Location Rotation again. Save as. Call it something. Back in Sims 4 Studio, import. Done. Now go out there and be the best mannequin you can be.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.